The question is, how can you have a healthier brain? In order to have a healthy brain, it's important to have a healthy lifestyle. This includes 1, getting enough sleep, 2, eating well, and 3, exercising regularly. I was asked the question after my interview with Machemehl-Helmly, Know Your Neurotransmitters, Episode 3. Welcome to your Truth Reveal video podcast, sharing the power of self-knowledge. I'm Erika Marcoux. Let's first look at sleep. Why is it important? Sleep plays such a big role in our overall health and well-being, and getting enough sleep at the right time can increase your mental and physical health. It also affects your quality of life and even your safety. When you're asleep, your body is working to support healthy brain function. Toxins are removed in your brain that build up when you're awake. Having good sleep hygiene is the way to go for brain health. Second, everything that you consume has an impact on your brain. This includes food, supplements, and more. The kinds of food you eat and the amount of food that you eat is very important for brain health. Limiting the amount of sugar, flour, and alcohol that you consume improves your brain. Also, taking supplements like fish oil helps. Lastly, when you exercise, your blood pressure and blood flow increase everywhere in your body. This includes your brain. When more blood and oxygen is pumped into your brain performs better. Remember, sleep, food, and exercise equal a healthy brain. I invite you to post your comments below. And feel free to watch my interview with Machemehl-Helmly titled Know Your Neurotransmitters, Episodes 3 and 4. For more learning, download your free worksheet at yourtruthreveal.com. I encourage you to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Erika Marcoux.